On June 5, 2023, Apple announced iOS 17, a big update for their iPhone operating system. It includes several improvements to make communication easier and more enjoyable. The update enhances the phone, FaceTime, and Messages apps, which are important for how we talk to others. It also introduces AirDrop, a feature that lets you easily share things with others. iOS 17 also focuses on making typing faster and more accurate with smarter suggestions and corrections. It brings new features like Journal, which is an app to help people practice gratitude. Additionally, there's Standby, a new way to see important information at a glance when your iPhone is charging and not in use. Craig Federighi, Apple's Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, said that iOS 17 has been designed to make the iPhone more personal and easier to use. He believes that users will love the updates to phone, FaceTime, and Messages, as well as the improvements to AirDrop and autocorrect. He also mentioned that the new experiences with Journal and Standby are exciting additions. Apple is eager for everyone to try iOS 17 and enjoy its features. The phone app on the iPhone has been updated with a cool new feature called Contact Posters. It lets users personalize how they appear when someone calls them. Users can customize their incoming call screen with unique looks, such as their own photos or emoji, and choose different fonts and colors. This feature is not only available for the phone app but also for other calling apps from third-party developers. It's a fun way for users to express themselves and make their incoming calls more visually appealing. With live voicemail, iPhone users can now see the transcription of a voicemail in real time while the caller is leaving the message. This feature allows users to decide whether to pick up the call while it's being recorded. If a call is recognized as spam by the phone carrier, it will be automatically declined without appearing as a live voicemail. The transcription process is done on the device using the neural engine, ensuring privacy and keeping the information entirely private. In the latest update, FaceTime now has a feature that allows users to send audio and video messages. If someone they're calling is unavailable, they can leave a message that can be listened to or watched later. This way, users can still share their thoughts and moments even when the other person is not able to answer the call. FaceTime calls now have more ways to express yourself with reactions like hearts, balloons, fireworks, laser beams, rain, and more. These fun effects can be added during a call using easy gestures. Not only can FaceTime users enjoy these effects, but third-party video calling apps can also make use of them to make their calls more interactive and enjoyable. A new update to Apple TV 4K brings FaceTime to the big screen at home. Users can now make video calls on their television using Continuity Camera. They can start a call directly from Apple TV or transfer it from their iPhone to the TV. With Center Stage, the camera will automatically adjust and frame the users perfectly, even if they move around the room. This update allows for more immersive and convenient FaceTime calls with friends and family on a larger display. With the iOS 17 update, Messages receives exciting enhancements. Users can enjoy a fresh stickers experience, featuring new emoji stickers and the option to create live stickers by extracting subjects from photos. These live stickers can be animated with effects, making them more dynamic. Additionally, a new drawer in the keyboard gathers all the user's stickers in one convenient place for easy access across iOS. These updates bring more fun and creativity to messaging with an expanded range of expressive options. Messages in iOS 17 gets new features to enhance communication. The menu is now expandable for easy access to iMessage apps. Searching is improved with filters to find specific results. A catch-up arrow shows where the user left off, and replying is as simple as swiping on a text bubble. Real-time location sharing is possible, and audio messages are automatically transcribed for reading or listening later. These updates make messaging more efficient and enjoyable. Messages introduces check-in, a feature that allows users to notify someone when they reach their destination safely. The selected contact is automatically notified upon arrival. If there is no progress towards the destination, helpful details like location, battery level, and cell service status are temporarily shared with the contact. All shared information is encrypted for privacy and security. AirDrop in iOS 17 introduces new sharing capabilities. With NameDrop, users can quickly share contact information by bringing their iPhones or an iPhone and Apple Watch together. Additionally, this gesture can be used to share content or start SharePlay for enjoying music, movies, or games when iPhones are close to each other. These enhancements make sharing and collaborative experiences even easier and more convenient. Autocorrect in iOS 17 gets a major upgrade with a powerful language model that improves word prediction and accuracy. It has a redesigned interface to better support typing, and sentence-level autocorrections can fix more grammar errors. Users will receive predictive text suggestions as they type, making it easier to add words or complete sentences by tapping the spacebar. Dictation is also more precise with a new speech recognition model. These improvements make typing and dictating text faster and more accurate. iOS 17 introduces Standby, a feature that provides a full-screen display of easily visible information when the iPhone is placed sideways and charging. Standby is ideal for nightstands, kitchen counters, or desks, and can be customized with various clock styles, favorite photos, and widgets like Smart Stacks. It supports live activities, Siri, incoming calls, and larger notifications, making the iPhone more useful when viewed from a distance. When using MagSafe for charging, Standby remembers the user's preferred view. It can be accessed by tapping the screen and is always available on iPhone 14 Pro with the always-on display. Journal is a new app in iOS 17 that helps iPhone users practice gratitude and reflection through journaling. It offers personalized suggestions for journal entries based on recent activities like photos, people, and places. Scheduled notifications help establish a journaling habit. The app prioritizes privacy by allowing users to lock it, utilizing on-device processing and encrypting entries. Developers can also integrate journaling suggestions into their own apps using the Journaling Suggestions API. It's a tool designed to improve well-being while protecting user privacy.